Hello and welcome back to Diary of My Frugal Life. Today is Saturday the 17th of May and I'm here today for a day in the life vlog. I am starting this vlog quite early. It's just 8 AM, not normal for me for a Saturday to be out of bed and dressed so early. For me it's early and I am not a morning person not really. So I need to go and take my car for a full service today. I booked it and I have to take the car there, and I am going to take you with me for the day so you can see everything that happens in this Saturday. I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for watching and let's go. I left my car at the garage to do the service and then I went to Home Bargains. I needed to buy a few things and I'm going to show you. It's a very small haul, but I will show you what I bought. So I got these latte sachets. I take them for work and these ones were 89 pence, so quite a good value. I needed some more bathroom cleaner and I usually like the pink stuff cream, but I saw this one that is a bathroom foam and I decided to try. You know, it's different. I will have a go and see if I like it or not. It's good to try different things. And this one was £1.15 and the cleaner, the cream, the pink stuff cream is 99 pence because I saw the price there. So, and it's a smaller bottle, but you know, we'll see. I want to try. I want to see if it's good. I needed to buy some razors. They were £1.25. I bought two of these body spray, 99 pence each. I also needed to buy some batteries. These were £1.29. No idea if they are any good, but I'm getting really annoyed with my monoxide alarm because it just eats batteries. It doesn't matter the brand I buy, it just doesn't last and it's really annoying. My son needed some toothpaste, so he chose this one and it is 99 pence. He also needed these shoe spray and this was £3.29, and he also chose this perfume and this was £1.25. So yeah, in total I paid £12.09. It's a very small haul, but it was things that we needed, so it was good. We just had lunch and it's been quite of interesting morning. So I said to you that I was taking my car to do the full service. I did that. I went to Home Bargains. I showed you the haul and then I showed you a clip of me with my new walking pad. So basically I've been looking at getting one and I was looking at them on Amazon, but then I started thinking last night, I started thinking maybe I could get one second hand on Facebook Marketplace. So I was eyeing something and I found this one and I offered £75 instead of the 100 they were asking price, and the person accepted and I went to collect it and I am really pleased. So the price new on Amazon for this one is £139.99, so I almost paid half price and that's really good. It was just a little bit above half price, so you know, I'm happy. It works perfectly. The person showed me working in the house before I paid, so I felt like, you know, that is actually nice. However, there was a video of the pad on the ad, so you know, you think, you know, it's working. So yeah, it was quite good. It wasn't far from my house either, so you know, it was quite good. And I've been doing some exercise already, so that's why I haven't done anything else. So I need to start doing some cleaning because it is already 1 o'clock. I haven't done any house cleaning. I would like to do some batch cooking today as well, and I would love to do something in the garden, but I don't think I'm going to have time because I still have to go and get my car when they call me from the garage. So yes, it's going to be a busy one. Now I am going to show you cleaning the toilet because I got that new pink stuff foam I've never tried, so I'm going to try with you, and then I will not film the rest of the cleaning so I can speed up. I think this is going to help me to actually do a bit quicker, because if I'm filming, things slow down, isn't it? So yeah, let's go and clean the toilet. I don't have before and after, but I just tidy and organized again these cupboard in my kitchen, and I feel really proud that everything is now in a better this day is not going as planned. I had so many things I wanted to do today, and then things just started happening in a different way. I got my car now from the service. It just needs to change the tires, so I booked it for tomorrow. I was able to. Now I didn't do it straight there because if I booked online, I've got a discount that I can use online, and if I do it in store, I won't get the discount. So I was cheeky and I said, oh no, I'm not going to change the tires today. But I booked it for tomorrow because they are really in need of changing. So yes, I will do that tomorrow morning. It might be a bit tight for me to go to Mass tomorrow, and I probably won't be able to go to the Portuguese one. Well, I will do what I have to do because I have a very busy week at work next week, and I don't even think I will work any day from home next week because yeah, it's definitely a very busy one. So yes, I did that. Now I just had something to eat, and it's already 6:30. And I've been just sitting down on the sofa doing nothing. I cleaned all the house, and I also showed you how I organized some of my kitchen cupboards, and I discarded my coffee machine. So to be fair, I did a few things. I just wanted to do more, and I was just not in the mood for that. Now, I've got my dinner defrosting, so that's fine. But I need to get some meal prep for next week for my son to take for lunch. So I have some egg noodles. They were frozen. They're still a bit frozen, but that's fine. They can defrost as I cook them, because I don't think there will be a lot of leftover meals for my plan for next week. I'm trying to look at the plan. I probably won't have like leftovers, and if I do, it will be just 1 or 2 portions. So I need to have something. And I also have this tomato sauce that I made last week for the pizza. As I said, it lasts 2 weeks in the fridge, but now I want to use it for the noodles. And I'm also going to add, I'm gonna add 1 onion. Now I'm not gonna add anything else because then I can make him some chicken dippers or something, and I can add with the noodles when he takes it for lunch, or I can make like a burger and he has it with the noodles. So yeah, there's lots of possibilities. I just wanted to make the noodles, and that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to take you with me. It's not a big recipe. It's not something that you know, everyone can make these. But because I wanted to make a day in the life video, I feel like let's bring you to make this food with me. So that's it. So I changed my mind and I'm actually going to add 3 burgers. They are homemade burgers to cook here with the noodles. This is just me making up as I go. I think my son's gonna like these very much. Well, he never complained about my food. So yeah. If this wasn't noodles, if this was a different kind of pasta, I would eat these. I don't eat noodles. And I'm also not a fan of spaghetti. I eat spaghetti like once in a while. The noodles are done and I'm just going to portion. Hopefully, I'm thinking of making 3 portions using these. I've got 3 burgers. I'm going to start with 1 burger in each. I know everyone eats different portions. I know for some of you my portions might look small, but you know, everyone eats differently. We are not hungry, that's all I can tell you. We're definitely not hungry. This is a filling meal anyway. Yeah, I just used my walking pad for 45 minutes. I am so pleased that I bought it because I can see it's going to be a great improvement not only in my health, my fitness, and I think it's going to help me in every aspect of my life because exercise helps with mental health, with physical health, and yeah, just you will feel better after that. So yes, and it was good because I was watching some videos on YouTube as I was walking, so you know, it was quite nice instead of being sitting down watching, so you know, much more productive. I am very happy. Now it's time to start making dinner, so yeah, I'm gonna do it and I'm tired. show you. I'm not sure, I don't think I showed you yet. I bought this food thermometer. I got it on Amazon. I used my Amazon Shopper Panel gift card to pay for this, so it was good. And why did I buy it? So I have told you in the previous video, I don't know exactly when, I am having issues with my air fryer where some of the food is not cooked properly, and throughout the week there was 2 meals that I thought they were cooked. They did the time in the air fryer. You know, for me it looked cooked and it was there for the exact time that it usually is. And then when we went to eat it wasn't. So I decided that was my I need one of these. And it's good because that will help me to make sure that my food is safely cooked. You know, I know usually you don't really use a thermometer for most of the foods, but especially when it's chicken, I think it is really important that you've got the safety temperature. Now, with at dinner, I made the chicken fajitas, and with the leftover meat, I always do this when I eat the fajitas, because we only eat 1 wrap each. For us is enough. So the leftover chicken and veg, I always add some rice on the pan, and I make like a fajita rice. It's really nice, it's really delicious. So I'm just cooking these. So I think it will give me 2 extra meals. I've got 3 meals from the noodles I made today. If I can have 2 meals here, that's 5, and I've got 1 frozen, 1 pasta bake frozen. So there are 6 dinners, 6 pack lunches for the week. So yeah, it's gonna be great. And if then throughout the week I've got any extra, because some foods you can have extra, some foods you don't have extra, and also some foods are not great to freeze and reheat basically. So yeah, I'm just trying to, I know I already looked at probably Monday, depending, because I'm making turkey steaks, I'd probably be able to get some of those leftover, like 1 meal leftover. Wouldn't have more than 1. On Tuesday I'm going to make fish, but I'm not sure that I'm going to make the fish. Anyway, I'm going to make sea bass, and I only have 2 fillets of sea bass, so that's no leftovers. Wednesday, spaghetti carbonara. I will definitely have at least 1 meal. And then Thursday is not leftovers. Friday is chicken pie, so I always have another meal. But we always do Saturday lunch at home, and we need a hot food, so we eat the rest leftover chicken pie on Saturday morning. So yeah, it's kind of how I make. Just need to ensure that the rice is cooked. So when I make like this, I add the water to the rice after it's soaking up all the water. So that way I really ensure that the rice is cooked. But the chicken is already cooked, the vegetables are cooked, so it's just the rice that needs finishing cooking. And this is a good meal to freeze and have leftovers basically. And it's been a tiring day. I have no idea if I've got enough for like a 30 minutes vlog, but probably will be like a 15 minutes vlog today on my day in the life, because I don't think I've got lots of footage, but you know, it is what it is. I think I'm gonna leave my vlog here. I hope you've enjoyed. I will insert the portions. I'm gonna batch cook, kind of when I divide it in portions. I'm gonna insert a clip so you can see. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. I just did a late collection of free food from Olio. I'm going to show you what I got. I got a load of plain and chocolate croissants. Oh my god, they're just coming out of the bags. So in the bags are both chocolate and plain. I got these butter brioche rolls. I know they're not amazing, but we like them, and yeah. Got some roasted turkey breast slices and some eggs. So you know, it's not a lot, but it's definitely welcome.